Hi guys, I hope you are doing great. So in this video, we will talk about like how to upload or import our media files into the CapCut and what are the supported files. So there are multiple ways to upload the media files into the CapCut. So first of all, if this is your import section, like all your media files which you will be import will be there. So you have to click on that and you will see all your media files which you want to upload. So for example, if I want to import this logo into the CapCut, then you have to select this and click on open, then your logo will be imported. But after that, you cannot import the media files by double clicking or single clicking in the import section. So how you can import the further files? Here you can see the import button. You have to click over there and select further media files. But if you want to import in bulk, so again you have to click on the import button and select all your media files in and click open. So you can see like all your files will be imported into the CapCut. So if you want, so this is how you can import your files and this is how you can change the preview. This is the list view and this is the grid view. So I prefer to use the grid view because this will give me a more clear idea what this video is and what this logo is all about. I actually usually rename all my videos before uploading to the CapCut because that will save my time more in the editing process. So I mainly use this grid view as compared to the list view because list view is really very like I'm scrolling down a bit. Sometimes I have like 40 to 50 media files, and this will be really hectic for me, even for you. So I mainly use this grid view, and this is the time imported. Like if I, but I'm not really using this feature anymore because if I started a video, and then definitely I will import all the files in one go, and maybe after 5 to 10 minutes. So I'm not using, but still, if you want to use, you can use it by name, by type, by duration, latest or earlier. So this is how you can import all your media files into the CapCut. And if we talk about like what format and which format will be supported by the CapCut, so I think as per my experience, because I'm working on CapCut from almost 2 to 3 years, and CapCut is supported almost all the files except web files because I didn't upload any web file over there. So this is, you can see like this is the PNG format. If I, for example, if we import that video and want to paste or logo, so you can see like this is the transparent image, like there is no background behind this eagle. So this is the PNG file. Logo is usually in the PNG formats with transparent background. So PNG format is also supported by CapCut. This audio file is an MP3. This is also supported by CapCut. This is these are all MP4 files, which is also supported by CapCut. And MOV files are also supported by CapCut because most of my clients send the MOV files, and I use all those MOV files in the CapCut. So CapCut is supporting almost all sort of media files which you can easily use. Either it's MP4, it's MOV, it's MP3, or it's PNG, or it's JPEG. Even JPEG is also supported by CapCut. So you can import almost every kind of media files in the CapCut.